Hello guys, welcome to today's class. Okay, today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a legitimate money here on Bybit. Very simple trick. You can get up to $200, up to $100. Very simple and very easy. Okay, you can start with $50, low as $50, low as $10. You can use it to get your profit. You can be doing this every day to earn money. Okay, welcome. If you're just joining us on this video, if you are the first timer, this is Stablecoin TV, where we get legitimate information on how to make money online. Okay, please do well to subscribe on my channel whenever I post, so you'll be the first person to get amazing video like this. Okay, so I'll be teaching you step by step on how to get this amazing profit. Okay, I've done this, I've tried this, and I'm a testifier of this. Okay, so do well to stick around and watch the full video so you can get this amazing idea on how to make money. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you. So let's go. First of all you just have to do is go to your market. Okay, mind you, we are buying ETH with our stablecoin. Very easy. A lot of people don't know this trick here on Bybit. Bybit has numerous opportunities on how to make money. Some people are just sitting at home making money online every day without stressing. These are one of the easy way to get your money. Okay, now we are buying ETH with these two stable coin. Okay, we are using the DAI coin and the USDT. Okay, first of all you just have to do, like I said earlier, get your Bybit app and log into your Bybit app, verify, do the process, and start earning from this. Okay, all you just have to do now is go to your market. Then as you go to your market, click on this place USDT that is written here. Okay, you just have to click on USDT. Then you can see DAI coin, which is written there down on this down part there. You just have to click on it. Okay, like I said earlier, we're buying ETH with two stable coin. Okay, which is DAI and USDT. Okay, now you just have to click on this place ETH/DAI. Okay, you can see, you can click, you just have to click on buy. Okay, as you can see, okay, DAI coin is a stable coin just like the USDT that are pegged to fiat currency, which is the major currency, USD dollar. Okay, it's just there. Okay, when USDT is $50, DAI coin is still $50. Okay, so now we are using this simple method. Okay, I'll be buying my ETH with DAI. Okay, I'll buying ETH worth of $50. Okay, I will just click on $50. Please, as you are on this process, you just have to get your buy on paper so you can get your profits. You can jot down your profit that you'll be earning from this simple trick. Okay, as you can see, I just click on $50, which is approximately 50 USDT. It gives me 0.00137 ETH. Okay, you just have to write it there. You can see. Then we go back to the market again. So you click on this place and try on USDT. Okay, you can see I just have to show you this amazing trick. Okay, very easy. Okay, click on this ETH right here. Then you click on buy. We are buying ETH using USDT. You can see I'm just showing you this amazing trick. Okay, you can see, boom. Okay, you can see this amazing trick. Okay, our 50 USDT is giving us 0.01382. Okay, you just have to drop it down. You can see DAO coin is more lesser when you're buying than USDT. If you're buying DAO, if you are using DAO to buy TH, you just have to is more lesser. That's the simple trick here. You can see you have getting your volume, you have getting more than 9 cents of USDT of dollar of your dollar. So you can see if you are doing this 50 times, just calculate 9 cents times 50, you can be getting, depends on the amount of money you invest on this. Okay, if you are using $200, the more you are using the money, the more you are getting it. Okay, some people are just doing this trick, getting it every day. Okay, you can see it's just very easy. Okay, please. Okay, so you just have to do it this way. You can see this amazing opportunity. Okay, if you feel this video is very helpful to you, please like and comment and share this amazing content that I just show you, this amazing trick on how to get $100, how to get $50, how to get $20, depends on the money you invest, and it will yield maximum profit for you. Okay, please do well to subscribe on my channel. Okay, bye for now.